it's like totally unique.
Okay.
He just doesn't build square laydowns or whatever.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Hey, on one. I just
Oh,
threw the
okay.
top amp.
Yeah, because I see you don't have anything on.
Yeah, I just threw the top amp day before yesterday.
Was it because of it? What caused it to blow?
I have no idea. The inputs is just not responding. The inputs is not responding at all.
Did it smoke at all or any smell? Or
A little bit of smoke.
Oh yeah, but something inside then. Yeah. This looks good. Nice and clean.
Right here, sound and secure.
Okay.
Yeah, he usually does all my work.
Okay. I like these rims, man. That looks good. Nice. Yeah, I'll come over. You want me to shut this back or you got it?
No, you can leave it open.
Okay.
It plays better like that.
It's louder with the back open. That's wild.
Yes.
So, real quick info first before. So, what's your name and what's in here?
Willie Singleton. I got 4 VXF 15 scars running on 2 SKV 3500s.
Okay.
With Apocalypse 4x8, 4x4.
Okay. Wow. This is a unique style
I'm
box.
telling you, man.
What made you do the way you have it?
I'll show you how it was before.
Okay.
I had it for a week. I had a box in here, and it didn't work.
Okay.
The person who built the box built a crappy box.
Got it.
So I had him do the whole thing. A week later, took it back and dropped it off to him.
Oh wow. And you're way happier with it. Okay.
Yeah, but like I said, I just blew an amp, so I really can't get the potential out of it.
Okay. A couple more questions. Do you know cubes, tuning, peak, SPL?
10.75 on the cubes.
Okay.
10.75, he said, the cubes after displacement, and he's got it tuned to 30.
30. Okay. That's good tuning. Any SPL tests when you had both amps in?
No, I just got it back Thursday.
Oh wow. Okay. Okay.
Just got it back
Got
from
it.
Thursday.
All right. And last question: electrical, alternator, battery, anything?
I'm gonna show it to you.
Okay. Let's go check it out. What size rims?
26.
26. Nice.
2 300s and the factory.
Okay. And how much battery?
2 short and 2400s.
Okay. So AGM Group 34.
Yeah.
Got it. All right.
And they're behind the amp right here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because you have everything really clean, so you can't tell.
Yeah.
Nice. I think these are Group 34 or no 31
24.
24s. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're the bigger ones. Nice. So what is this wired to?
This one's
Impedance.
wired to 2 ohms. I'm only getting 2K because I got 4 dual 4s.
So down to 1 ohm when you had both, and
Yeah.
now it's at 2 ohm for one.
2 ohm for 4.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
2 ohm here versus
Yeah.
1 ohm each.
Yeah.
When you had
sucks.
that, got it.
7,500 watts altogether.
Okay, when you clamped it.
75 8K,
Got
I
it.
think he
Yep.
said I'll be running
Okay.
all together. But
Did you have these strapped or gain matched? Do you remember?
no, gain matched.
You did? Okay.
Gain matched them.
Okay. All right. Well, I'd love to hear it, even though it's low power. So you're probably only giving them maybe three, 4, 500 watts each. Yeah. Oh, I'm sure that you're disappointed amp low. It happens, man.
Yeah, I got it Thursday from a Thursday morning and got up to the house. He lives out here.
Okay.
It's Sound and Secure. The guy, he does it at his house now. I used to have a shop in Savannah.
Okay. Yeah.
And so he builds all my custom enclosure. He designed everything for me.
Did a really good job.
Yeah, the boxes. Like I said, let me show you the pictures. I had a wall.
Okay, so you actually had a C-pillar wall.
Yeah, I had a wall.
Yep.
And I bought the truck, and the box was in there. And I was like, okay, I'm not going to tear it out. Not thinking that, it just wasn't what it was supposed to be.
Yeah.
So
the wall used to be kind of sealed off around it too? Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a way different style look. And then you like this more.
the box was too small. He told me before he built it the first time, he said, listen, I'm telling you, I measured the box, it's too small. You're not gonna like it. And this used to be the back. And I'm pissed because I gotta go back to him to get the back done, but this used to be the back.
Okay.
It was white.
Wow, you actually had it all sealed off around.
Yeah.
Wow, okay, now it's all opened up.
Yeah, I had it all sealed off.
Okay.
He closed it all in for me. I liked it like that, you know, with the close in.
That keeps the hatch from getting as much flex too.
Yeah, that's why I told him I want a front-facing port. I didn't want a rear port.
Yeah.
I got a rear port, like I said, I'll have to bring the Equinox up. I got a 2008 Chevy Equinox that I got a box that he designed. I'm running 2K to it.
Okay.
It's a monster.
It's a good daily driver though?
Yeah. I got American Bass XR, 15s in it.
Okay.
And I'm running two audio pipe 1500 watt amps to it.
That's a good combo. Yeah.
That's it. Just game.
And it still
match for
sounds
bass.
good.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So when I picked the SKV 3500s, I said, okay, if I could do 1800 watts each, then I'll be good to go. You know.
Yeah.
Each sub, I think like that, gain matching it. I know guys that run 8K to one sub. No, I'm just gonna. You know, I can't buy subs every day in Recon and all that.
Yes, sir.
Couple rappers do not like me 'cause I put the hood. Tricking on these bitches, there's something that I don't know. How to do, it's a big difference right between me and you. I can show you how to hustle, how to ball, and how to shoot. Yeah, I can show you how to hustle, how to ball, and how to shoot. I've been doing this since a jit, little bitch. This shit ain't nothing new. Money coming in, bitch. I like my shit in all blue. I'm about to buy another truck and finna give away my coupe. I'm shooting shit like Paul Pierce, bitch. I'm all I'm the true. I just post a walk hard up in my Mountain Dew. I be shitting on these niggas, that's all that I do. I be shitting on these niggas, that's all that I do. I be shitting on all these niggas, that's all that I do. I be shitting on all these niggas, that's all that I do. I be shitting on all these niggas, that's all that I do. Oh, then how you coming, Glide? Okay. Go. I don't follow rules, no. Did I focus, bitch, for sure. I had to, 'cause he a ho. Set you up, I keep telling, God keep blessing me. M's on M's, but I keep the F right next to me. I come from shit that's why I'm all on them so heavily. Stack it, flip it, stack it again, that's my recipe. We made the rules, then broke the rules. We do what we want, nigga. These diamonds just keep getting bigger. Ice cold like the winter. Her name, no, I don't remember. I see a big bag of money when I look in the mirror. Baby, what you see is what you get. I'm a street nigga, but I'm rich. Nigga, what you see is what you get. We in the Maybach truck around with them sticks. In my head, I ain't so.
So imagine with the 7500, it's only 2K.
Sure, you're probably going 4X as loud. I mean, it'd be crazy. And you still keep it louder with that back open.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice to meet you, man. I appreciate
Willie
it.
Singleton, man.
Yep. All right,
I'm
Will
looking
Jacob.
forward.
Yep.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.